Content is king today. With so many competitors in almost every industry, businesses must have unique content and deliver it quickly. Why? High quality and consistent content that is delivered quickly helps your business build trust, develop relationships, improve conversations, and generate leads. Customers read, watch, and listen to content on different devices. That's why it's important to make sure your content is displayed while on laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. Adapting content for each platform is really time-consuming, but with the help of Contentful's headless content management system, you can save hours of work. While there are many tools available, we personally love Contentful the most. So let's dive into what Contentful is real quick. Contentful is a cloud-based headless CMS created in Germany in 2013. It allows you to create, manage, and distribute content to any platform. How does it work? Well, let's take a step back. Each website has two sides. One is the front end, which is visible to the audience. The other is the back end, where all the technical and managing processes take place. This is the legit kitchen of the website, so to speak. If these processes aren't smooth, the front end won't function as intended. Before Contentful, businesses had to create a content system for each channel with a separate CMS. This approach made updating and fixing websites very tedious and resource-consuming. Now, Contentful unifies content management and distribution across all platform channels in one editorial interface. Everything – video, music, images, text – can be managed by content editors and delivered as structured content to users. With Contentful, content management is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The first step is to specify a content model. Step 2, it's time to add your content. Don't worry, no coding expertise needed. Let's say you want to publish an article. Simply head to the Add Entry section, select Article, fill in the required fields such as the entry name, title, text, and any visual elements. When you're finished, hit Publish, and voila, you're good to go. Contentful shows the content in a layout-independent way. It has a 25-day window for recovery, so there's no need to worry about accidental data loss. As a result, you'll get an article that displays equally well on desktop as on mobile. It's easy to start working with Contentful, as it's literally an independent SaaS platform. It can be a valuable tool for building a user-friendly and high-quality website, even if you don't have solid coding skills. Here's why we're head over heels for Contentful. First up, rapid implementation. Contentful is a platform with customizable content models, allowing for quick editing and distribution of content. Its user-friendly infrastructure gives it an advantage over traditional CMS. Next, security. Contentful encrypts all content by default to ensure that drafts and finished models are secure. This prevents leaks and service disruptions, giving content teams peace of mind. Published content is only visible to the intended audience. Contentful is a channel-agnostic system, and that lets you create and publish content across various channels using a built-in editor and integrated media library. This enables source file updates without breaking any public links. Contentful is mobile-optimized and supports synchronization, image compression, and offline persistence. We love Contentful for its impressive caching and redundancy capabilities that ensure fast content delivery and high-level security for critical data. Content can still be accessed from the cache even if all redundancies fail. Last but not least, Contentful has a GraphQL API that uses a query language and server-side runtime to provide users with precise data. This API defines server responses and collects content from multiple sources, using fewer API calls and avoiding overloading the back-end system. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Contentful-based applications still require a certain level of programming language or an app framework to work with. This means if you don't have a development team or an external partner, a traditional CMS may be a better choice for you. Next, it's important that Contentful doesn't provide channel-specific support, meaning that the developer will be responsible for certain navigation elements. Also, the organization of content in Contentful may be different from what you're used to, so creators must be prepared to adapt to this new system. Unlike a traditional CMS, Contentful doesn't provide sitemaps. Finally, it's important to consider development costs because Contentful is a headless CMS and not an end-to-end solution. Front-end development will take additional time and money. Our team of content creators operates almost fully autonomously, handling all aspects of writing and publishing the content. Meanwhile, our software engineers are solely responsible for all code-related tasks. That's why we love Contentful. Why not give it a try today for your website? If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell to never miss new content where we explain all things digital.